Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures for Thursday, November 23. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 22. Time is around 8 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at a 4-hour chart in the Dow Jones, and we were actually focusing here on this structure here in the Dow Jones, not only the Dow Jones, but also the other indices. Last week, we had quite some time that we were not really moving. We were just hanging around here. And now, the past 2 days, we got some moves, and I start to think that we might have finished something right here. So this could be the C wave we have finished right here, but it could also be a wave 3. I will elaborate on this in a minute, but maybe let's first look here at the internals of this structure, and therefore we go to the 15 minutes. So, well, let's start in the 1 hour. So from this low, I believe we made here a wave A or a wave 1. So a first impulse up. Then we had a very shallow retracement. And from here, we went further up, also in an impulsive structure, I would say, because again, here it looks like we are having 5 waves, and also, this is also supported in RSI, I would say, or wave 3 should be located somewhere here, strongest RSI reading, and then here it looks like we are ending with divergence. This is typical behavior of an impulse. And so if we look then at the 15-minute here from the wave B low, I would count it like this: a wave 1 up, a wave 2, then here or wave 3, with this the wave 3 of 3, strongest RSI reading, shallow wave 4, and now we are looking here at this structure, which also starts to show 5 waves now: 1, 2, 3, 4, and now here it looks like we are having a 5th wave. We are having divergence compared to our 3rd wave. So it looks like we are also having like complete structure from here. And then in my opinion, this would be the wave 5 of this wave C. Of course, can we see like another marginal new high? I cannot exclude this, but now this really looks ending, I would say, as we have 5 waves from this low here. This low really looks like a wave 4 after this impulsive wave 3 corrective structure A, B, C, I would say. So from here, it looks like another 5 waves. So this makes me think that we have our wave 5 here. And so then this would be the wave 5 of C if we are doing a corrective structure here. And therefore, we have to zoom out again. Let's go back to the 4-hour. So my primary scenario here in green shows that from this high here, we went down as a wave A in 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I believe here this can be a corrective wave B. This here is our wave B area. We are a bit above the wave B area. If we take the length of the wave A, Then a wave B is supposed to end between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. But of course, the true invalidation level of a wave B is located right here. We cannot go beyond the start of wave A in a zigzag pattern. So therefore, if this has to be corrective, I think we are finished or really close to finish marginal new high. Possible, I cannot exclude this, but it looks like yeah, we have something complete here. However, there is also a possibility that, look at my secondary scenario here in red, like we did not reach the wave 2 area. This here is our wave 2 area. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis, my latest higher time frame analysis on the Dow Jones. But actually we came quite close. So therefore, I believe we also have to consider that the wave 2 was in right here. And if the wave 2 was in right here, it would have been after a 333 correction, WXYXZ corrective move. And then, of course, if the wave 2 is in right here, what can happen or what should happen? This means that this here is the start of a wave 3, and then we actually need an impulse from here, like the wave 1 of the wave 3 in a higher degree. And so I believe this 3 waves structure is complete, but what can happen? The scenario here in red can play out, that this is the 1 instead of an A, this is the 2 instead of a B, and here we have a wave 3, which is finished, but then the 4 and the 5 can still follow. And so therefore, let's assume that the high was in today right here. What we can expect then, if the scenario in red is playing out, then we should expect a wave 4, and a wave 4 goes here into the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. Let me put this in red to make clear that this is the secondary scenario. So then here we have our wave 4, and then a wave 5 should follow, taking out the wave 3 high. But this 5th wave cannot be longer than the 3rd wave. The 1st wave is the longest, that looks for sure. Then if the wave 3 is finished right here, which I believe it is, then our wave 3 will be the 2nd longest, and then of course our 5th wave cannot be longer than this 3rd wave. So main expectation is that we finished a structure right here. I believe an A, B, C structure, if this is a corrective wave B up. However, we cannot exclude, as we came quite close here to the wave 2 area, that our wave 2 is in right here, and then we should expect an impulse from this low. And if this is playing out as an impulse, then we have to look at the scenario here in green, in red, I mean, which shows that this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, wave 3 is probably finished. We can expect a wave 4 pullback into this area, and then we should have a 5th wave to the upside, which cannot be longer than this 3rd wave we are having here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the Dow Jones. Have a nice day. Bye bye.